Hey everyone, it's Plant Skid's Food Life. Now we all know the power of natural remedies and how they can make us feel better inside and out. It's like giving your body a warm hug from the inside. Today we'll explore some simple yet effective remedies using ingredients you probably already have at home. It's all about taking charge of your health and well-being naturally. Remember, I always say, health is not just the absence of disease but a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. And these natural remedies can be a great tool to achieve just that. Don't forget to check out our ebook, Simple Solution Handbook, a practical guide to alleviating everyday ailments, available in the description below for more amazing remedies. Let's dive in. Let's talk about ginger, a true rock star in the natural remedy world. This little root is packed with compounds like gingerols that have powerful anti-inflammatory and anti-nausea properties. It's like a soothing wave for your stomach. Feeling queasy? Ginger can be your best friend. A cup of ginger tea before or after meals can work wonders for nausea, motion sickness, and even morning sickness during pregnancy. Just slice up some fresh ginger, let it steep in hot water, and enjoy the calming aroma and taste. Ginger is also fantastic for digestion. It helps to stimulate digestive juices and can ease bloating, gas, and indigestion. You can incorporate ginger into your meals by adding it to stir-fries, soups, or smoothies. And the benefits don't stop there. Ginger can also help reduce muscle soreness after a tough workout. That's because its anti-inflammatory properties can help ease those post-exercise aches and pains. Remember, while ginger is generally safe, it's always a good idea to start with small amounts and listen to your body. If you have any underlying health conditions or concerns, it's always best to chat with your doctor before adding ginger to your routine. Honey, with its golden glow and sweet taste, is more than just a delicious treat. It's a powerhouse of antibacterial and antiviral properties, making it a go-to remedy for coughs and sore throats. Think of it as nature's cough syrup. Raw honey in particular is loaded with antioxidants and enzymes that can help soothe irritated throat tissues and fight off infection. It forms a protective layer over the throat, providing relief from pain and irritation. When that scratchy throat hits, try adding a spoonful of honey to warm water or tea. It can help to coat and soothe the throat, reducing coughing and providing much-needed comfort. And there's more. Honey can also help suppress nighttime coughs, allowing for a more restful sleep. A spoonful of honey before bed can work wonders. But remember, honey is a type of sugar, so it's essential to consume it in moderation, especially if you have any blood sugar concerns. And never give honey to infants under 1 year old due to the risk of infant botulism. Let's talk about peppermint, a refreshing herb that's more than just a breath freshener. It contains menthol, a natural compound known for its cooling and soothing properties. Think of it as a mini ice pack for your head. When a tension headache strikes, peppermint oil can come to the rescue. The menthol in peppermint oil creates a cooling sensation when applied topically, helping to relax muscles and ease headache pain. Gently massage a few drops of diluted peppermint oil onto your temples, forehead, and back of your neck. The refreshing aroma and cooling sensation can provide much-needed relief. Peppermint is also great for digestive issues like indigestion and bloating. You can enjoy a cup of peppermint tea after meals to help calm your stomach and aid digestion. Just remember, when using essential oils like peppermint oil, always dilute them with a carrier oil, like coconut oil or jojoba oil, before applying them to your skin. And if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, it's always best to chat with your doctor before using peppermint oil. Turmeric, that vibrant yellow spice commonly used in Indian cuisine, is a true powerhouse when it comes to fighting inflammation. It contains a compound called curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Think of it as nature's anti-inflammatory superhero. For those dealing with joint pain and inflammation, turmeric can be a game changer. Curcumin helps to reduce inflammation in the body, which can help alleviate joint pain and stiffness associated with conditions like osteoarthritis. You can incorporate turmeric into your diet by adding it to curries, soups, or even smoothies. To boost absorption, pair turmeric with black pepper, which contains piperine, a compound that enhances curcumin absorption. Golden milk, a warming and comforting drink made with turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, and your choice of milk, is a delicious way to enjoy the benefits of turmeric. While turmeric is generally safe for consumption, it's always a good idea to start with small amounts and increase gradually. And if you're on any medications or have any underlying health conditions, It's always best to talk to your doctor before adding turmeric to your routine. Let's talk about chamomile, a gentle and soothing herb that's been used for centuries to promote relaxation and sleep. It contains compounds like apigenin, which have calming effects on the brain and body. Think of it as a warm hug for your nervous system. If you're struggling to unwind after a long day or find yourself tossing and turning at night, chamomile tea can be your new best friend. It helps to calm the mind, ease anxiety, and prepare your body for a restful night's sleep. Sip on a cup of chamomile tea about an hour before bed and let the calming aroma and gentle effects lull you into a peaceful slumber. Chamomile is also a great digestive aid. It can help to soothe an upset stomach, reduce bloating, and promote healthy digestion. Just remember, while chamomile is generally safe, it's always a good idea to check with your doctor if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any allergies to plants in the daisy family. So there you have it. 5 fantastic natural remedies to help you feel your best. Remember, while these remedies can be incredibly effective, they're not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you have any concerns, always reach out to your doctor. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and tricks. And don't forget to check out our ebook, Simple Solution Handbook, a practical guide to alleviating everyday ailments, in the description below for more natural remedies. Stay healthy and take care.